Hi guys, my name is Dipti. Welcome to Glossomistic Vlog. In today's vlog, as you must have seen the title, it's all about October favorites. So let's dive into it. Alright, so first I'll talk about my favorite skincare products. I really don't have many products. I'm going to talk about two main products today. So the first one is Cetaphil DAM, that is Daily Hydrating Ultra Hydrating Lotion. Uh, I'll just give you a quick review. I had been using Sebamed moisturizer or face cream if you can call. I am still at it. I have not yet forgotten my Sebamed cream, but then this Cetaphil DAM cream is my new favorite. The best part about this cream compared to the previous one I had been using, this is a medicated cream, no smell, no added fragrance, and I think this is dermatologically tested as well. Alright, so what I can say about this one is this is very light on your face. This doesn't create any greasy feeling, no chipa feeling, but it at the same time it makes your skin quite nourished, supple, and you feel like little softness. Of course, it happens with regular use. This is my second tube. Previous one I think I finished in almost 15 or 20 days. I think I'm using quite a lot. So this is almost 30 grams of it. Yeah. This is how the tube looks like. Alright, so if you can have a look at it. Okay, so this is how the tube looks, and trust me guys, I'm very happy with this one. The only issue with this one is the quantity for the price, of course, and yeah, that's it. And yeah, I just feel they could have come up with a bigger quantity and slightly better price. So again, 10 on 10 for this one of my favorite skincare product for now. Alright, moving to the next category. This is mainly for the hand care. Alright, so as you guys know, my hands are a little dryish and I keep talking about it in I think most of my all videos. So I had been again switching it from Neutrogena Norwegian Formula hand cream, and the other one is hand cream from Nivea for very dry skin. So this I finally found in one of the grocery shops, and I'm glad I found this because I was not able to find this one on Nykaa. I think it used to be not in the stock all the time whenever I checked in. So again for this one, I don't know about the formula and all that stuff, but then these two creams don't go very heavy on your skin, very heavy on your hands or face like this I use on my hands. Compared to the Norwegian formula and Neutrogena cream, it is very rich, so you have to take time and keep on applying it and let it soak in. But this literally soaks in, within few seconds. And again, but you don't have to keep applying it again and again. It will keep giving you that relaxing, soothing feeling on your hands. And of course, if you wash your hands continuously and if you keep on applying something like alcohol based sanitizers, then of course this is not going to stay longer. But again, after 3 to 4 hours you'll have to keep applying if you're washing your hands. As I am a physiotherapist, and even at home also I tend to wash my hands every now and then. So this thing really helpful, and then I can carry this one anywhere. I even carried the other tube of my hand cream of the Neutrogena along, पर उसको लगाने में काफी time जा रहा था, so you have to keep on applying. With this one that doesn't happen, so that's the quick difference. Though both of them are really good, this is my most favorite. Alright, moving to the next one is mainly hair care. I don't know if you guys can have a look, but my hair texture slightly better compared to my previous videos, and I'll give all the credit to this little guy, not little guy, actually quite a big bottle. Okay, so I had been using Mama Earth since quite a long time now. एक महीने से ऊपर हो गया, I think almost 2 months now. So what I can say about this range, that compared to shampoo, I like the conditioner more. I would not call that shampoo is bad or something, but I'm still using again my Vitamino color treated hair shampoo and this conditioner. So yes, on and off I use Mama Earth onion shampoo as well, but conditioner I have not stopped using. This is again my third bottle now. So yeah, of course the rest of the family members are also using the same conditioner. And again, it's very smoothie. I talked about this thing in my previous videos, that it feels like as if we are eating ice cream. Don't eat this, please. So yeah, that's it. Very good product, very soft and supple. Regular application will make your hair slightly softer. Of course, you'll have to look after your hair health and body health as well. I think I should come up with a video where I actually talk about all this gyan. Okay, so jokes apart, for this product again, means no imagination left. This is like the best conditioner I've used till now, even compared to the previous high-end ones that I had used. Very good one. Shampoo is still okay. Like with regular use, I realized that conditioner is way more better than the shampoo. So I'm still using the shampoo, but not on regular basis. Conditioner with every wash, I need this. So yeah, I have even recommended this to many of my friends, my cousins and my sisters as well, even to my relatives like who had been facing with hair fall or even dry hair. It has helped me, and I'm sure it will help everybody else. And then all the things are there, no paraben, no SLS, everything you already know. There have been so many Mama Earth reviews these days. So that's it, and cheers to this guy. Alright, I actually wanted to include one makeup product here, but then I think I'll talk about it some other time, because it's not just September or October favorite. I think it's going to be my forever favorite, and that product is somewhere related to eyes, so keep guessing. Meanwhile, let's move to the next category or the next thing. That is, oh sorry, I think I lost the lid of it just somewhere now. So these are the two what do you call sanitizers that we can use. So this one has been my friend since forever. Like of course I used to switch between Dettol and Savlon. I need sanitizer in my bag all the time, like not just now after the COVID-19 scene as well, but then otherwise also since past many years I always have at least 2 bottles of sanitizer with me, and I need them like whenever we go out. I travel a lot in rickshaw and cab because I like it. I used to, of course. So this guy used to be there with me all that time. Best thing about this sanitizer compared to the other ones that I've used, I would not like to name right now, but this one is quite better on the skin compared to the other ones, and I think it does the job. मैं कई बार like whenever I'm out, I don't like to waste water. I just take a little bit of it and clean my hands, and then I'll have to take off my jewelry. So I usually don't wear jewelry when I go out for work or when I go out for other things, grocery and all. So you have to clean your hands really well. If I'm wearing something above my forearm, then I even clean that area. Okay, ज्ञान apart. So this is the best sanitizer. Please buy this. सबके पास होगा यार, मुझे बताने की ज़रूरत नहीं है अभी, पर ये हमेशा साथ में रखो कुछ दिनों तक, या we really don't know, for uncertain time the things are going to be the same, I think. So whenever you venture out, keep this thing with you, keep using it every now and then, even if you touch something. I really don't believe in wearing all the time those those what do you call disposable gloves, क्योंकि कितना plastic waste हो रहा है. So instead, so what I have done, I've bought just one this thing, and then I've bought a bigger one of the same Lifebuoy immunity booster hand sanitizer, and I keep pouring it. घर पे सबको एक छोटा bottle दिया गया है, and then we keep transferring the same thing, and I even sanitize this also. Sometimes I spray something or using the same sanitizer I clean it. So please, sanitizer is a must. You have to have it with you. Okay, एक नहीं तो दो रखो and use it. Okay, please don't think कुछ होगा कुछ नहीं होगा. Go home, wash your hand, moisturize them nicely, but use sanitizer. Okay. Since the time I started filming videos, I had to buy a few things from Amazon like makeup and all. So I had to buy a few online stuff. So I was very unhappy. मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था कि ऐसे टाइम पे मैं शॉपिंग कर रही हूँ, but then it was kind of unavoidable at that time. So I studied a little bit, and I actually jotted down 3 surface sanitizers or disinfectants that can be used. I even use a home-based one. I'll come up with a video how I use the home-based disinfectant, but there are still a few things in which you cannot use a water-based disinfectant. For that, I have been using Cipla Cif hand spray for protection against germ. This is a surface disinfectant spray. I know it comes in a very small bottle, but उसको एक बार एक दफ़ा spray किया, and I think that's enough for now, I think this is my favorite. Though today itself, I've bought two more, and let's see how they go about. I don't use them on my hands. I don't use them on any food item. Of course, if it is a packaged one and I don't get a chance to wash it or wipe it, then I spray it on the outer side sometimes, but never on the food. Okay, so we have partially done with few things. Now there are four things left. So let's talk about these cuties first. Tell me how many of you guys have done Zoom calls, Zoom meetings, a lot of webinars, and then you're too tired to get ready. So I have been the same person. I know I'm a little bit decked up today, but then otherwise, whenever I'm in Zoom meeting and we have to be there, we cannot just be on your pajamas. We have to be a little put together, and you have to look little decent enough. So I used to be like, okay, अभी तैयार होना पड़ेगा kind of things, and that's when मेरी नज़र ये वाले studs तो नहीं बोल सकते earrings पे पड़ी. These have been in my wardrobe since quite a while. I'll try and insert a picture somewhere here. So these are from one of the jewelry shops in Pune, and I think they're all over India or Maharashtra. I'm not too sure about. The name of the shop is Pune Gadgil, PNG. So every Maharashtrian I think can relate to this. So I think long ago there was a not a flea market thing, but there was a stall in one society, and I had just visited there, and they were selling some beautiful silver jewelry. So I had bought quite a few, and this was like I think almost 11 months ago or something, last Diwali, if I'm sure, if I'm able to recall. Yeah, so I ended up buying one pendant, couple of chains, and everything. Even my sister did a little bit of shopping there. We even ended up buying this ring, even this ring that I'm wearing right now. Okay, this is also from Pune Gadgil. Reason behind using silver rings is only because I'm a very clumsy person. मैं कई बार चीजें घुमा देती हूँ. So सोना घुमाने से अच्छा चांदी घुमाओ. I know that sounds so stupid, but I'm pretty allergic to these kind of stuff. I cannot wear imitation jewelry for longer time. I start getting that rashy kind of thing, and then वो दर्द करता है काफी time तक. Okay, jokes apart. So let's talk about these little cuties. So ये बहुत छोटू सी earrings है. I'm still showing it once again. So square shape में है. There are little diamond kind of thing inside. I'll try and put a proper detailed picture of this. I don't remember ये कितने के थे. I think under 1,000 definitely. They're very good for a sensitive skin person like me. It's very difficult for me to carry this big and heavy earrings outside. So I either prefer not wearing any jewelry or I wear preferring very small ones. So that's it for now. And if you can get hands on to PNG online, please go and check it out. No, this is not a sponsored video. I'm just a budding YouTuber, so no sponsorships. I have bought them from my own pocket, and that too almost a year back. I just revisited my wardrobe and then I found them. Okay, I think we are done with the jewelry thing. So yeah, so basically I use these kind of jewelry, like small cute say earring in my video calls, or say webinars, or Zoom meetings where you don't get ready too much. Okay, yeah, that's it. There are three things left. So before that, we'll come to the snack. Ta-da, ta-da. Okay, I'm a chocolate person. I know I had not been actually. I know, yeah, I'm just going crazy. Okay, so I have become a chocolate person lately. In between, I even did a little bit of reinvention. I started making chocolates at home, but they didn't turn out that great, and then nobody ate, and then everybody in their mind, I think they were saying, "Okay, this is not something you're good at." So I took the sign, and then I bought a few Amul chocolate. Compared to the other chocolates, I think dark chocolate is comparatively healthier. It helps in weight loss. Of course, I'm not too sure. This has got 55% cocoa in it, so still okay compared to eating other heavy chocolates. This is still better. Of course, I eat other good heavy chocolates as well. I love chocolates. Yeah, so this has been my go-to snack. I so want to eat. I'm controlling myself like hell. Okay, but I would. Alright, so this has been my favorite snack time. Along with that, I have started with something healthy also. Maybe I'll talk about it very soon. I had been very much popcorn person. I like savory snacks more, and I think one of the reason I like dark chocolate because it's not too sweet. Okay, So savory snack में I've discovered something. I don't know. I think आप लोग को already पता होगा. So I'll definitely talk about that savory snack. I didn't make it home. I'm not very cooking friendly or not too fond of cooking much. So dark chocolate has been my sathi while watching TV or listening music and all the even in Zoom meetings. If I'm not the one who's talking, I'm just listening for a minute. I would just switch off the camera, pop on this dark chocolate color piece, and go ahead. All right, we'll talk about one more product. See, I have not yet discovered many benefits of it, but I have started with apple cider vinegar in the morning with lukewarm water, 2 glasses of it in fact, and in each glass I think I add just half a teaspoon or sometimes even less than it. I'm not very fond of the taste. This is from Borges apple cider vinegar, unfiltered organic vinegar, apple cider vinegar unfiltered with mother. So with mother means all the useful bacteria will be still inside. And see, you can see मैंने इतना खत्म किया है सिर्फ. So I'm not too fond of it. I'll still prefer lemon, but then trust me, this little consumption in the morning past 1 month has given me such great effect, not only on my skin, on my GIT system, that is my digestive system, also on my hair, and I feel little energetic. काफ़ी सारे issues solve हुए हैं. We'll talk about this apple cider vinegar benefit वाला video once I actually use it for other purposes. I'm trying my hands on to use it like in drinks and all, and then if I can use it in the food, I'm still reading, and I have not yet experimented because the taste is quite stronger and pungent. I use a straw to drink this because I read in some book while I was reading some book that you should be drinking it through a straw because you will have some dental enamel issues if you keep on consuming it for a long time. So that's it. Okay, moving to the last one, the most boring I would say. But then I discovered this book, 60 Tips Allergies. Okay, so that's the name of the book if you guys can see. Okay, I don't even remember buying this book. I think I must have got it from Landmark long time ago. So while just cleaning my bookshelf, I found this one, and I think so. Abhi, this is the right time to read such books and get to know more and more. So basically, this book has got easy questionnaire so that you can get started with the allergy thing, and even I don't know whether I have dust allergy or not, but even while cooking, if some strong smell or some strong aroma is there, कहीं पे मसाले भी डालते तो I start sneezing for a while and then it stops on its own. Even with dust, I think both me and my husband, we are pretty allergic to dust, but then we have no option. I have no option. I have to do a little bit of dusting. So, and like if you won't clean the dust, you'll end up having more allergy with the dust, right? Alright, so there are a lot of natural remedies. There are certain holistic ways of relaxation. There's a little bit about massage. There is a little bit about dietary changes. There's a little bit about even environment. So what I can say about this book, this all in all, this very beautiful little book. If you can still buy it, I don't know whether Landmark is open or not, but then this is my favorite book for this month. I finished this book I think in second week of October almost. So just before few days I've started reading a new book, and no, it's not a medicinal book. It's more of a novel, and I'm thoroughly enjoying it. Hopefully in my November favorites I'll talk about it. So before we sign off, I'll just say a couple of things that guys, this is again a very difficult time for all of us. Please stay indoor if you don't want to go out. All the elders, all the people who are in high risk group, unless it is essential and unless it is unavoidable, please don't venture out. Drink lots of water, lots of warm water on and off. Eat lots of seasonal fruits and vegetables. Eat your protein diet as required, and yeah, keep on taking your supplements if they are prescribed to you. Do a little bit of exercise, do a little bit of stretches, yoga, do a little breathing exercise. Please do meditation. Everybody's having a little bit of confusion, tiresome feeling, lethargy, anxiety. So meditation is going to help you. Trust me, guys. Trust on this. So yeah, that's it for now, guys. My voice is a little I don't know, wrong because I had been talking non-stop in my lectures, and my voice is just tired right now. I can't shout anymore. So guys, it was really wonderful talking about all these. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share, and see you soon in your next video. Bye bye, take care.